First, verify you have all parts from the faucet and spout assembly. The faucet kit, part number 60267, consists of both the faucet and wing nut. The spout kit, part number 64003, includes the flat rubber washer, spout, fiber washer, hex nut, and stainless steel C-ring. We will use Cambro's 100 LCD for our demonstration. Begin by removing the existing faucet and spout. To do this, turn the wing nut in a clockwise direction until the faucet comes off. Remove the C-ring by sliding it off. Press the wing nut downward until it sits flush with the ribs on the hex nut. Turn the wing nut in a counterclockwise direction until the hex nut is loose. Remove the wing nut. Continue turning the hex nut by hand in a counterclockwise direction until you can remove the spout. The next step is adding the new faucet and spout. Place the rubber washer flush against the lip of the spout. Insert the spout with the flat rubber washer attached through the hole in the camtainer. Place the fiber washer around the spout. Place the hex nut rib side up on the spout and screw it on by turning in a clockwise direction. Tighten the hex nut by using the wing nut, pushing it downward and turning in a clockwise direction. Continue to tighten the hex nut until you are not able to tighten it any longer. Place the C-ring on the spout in the slotted area. Take the faucet and place the threaded opening over the spout. Hold the faucet in place with one hand and tighten the wing nut by threading the nut on the threads of the faucet and turning in a counterclockwise direction. Tighten by hand until you are no longer able to tighten and the wing nut is firmly in place. Congratulations, you have now completed the faucet and spout kit assembly. When testing for leaks, use hot water. Be sure to wear the appropriate safety equipment to prevent the water from touching the skin. Fill the container and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Look for any drops of water from the connection of the faucet to the spout. If drops are visible, simply empty the container and tighten the wing nut by turning it counterclockwise until you are unable to tighten anymore. Test again with hot water and empty and tighten until there are no visible leaks. And that is how you test for leaks for the Cambro faucet and spout assembly.